Greetings, viewers. This is S. Ramanagar Pari talking from Coimbatore. I welcome you to my YouTube channel English to English. In this video, I am going to talk about nouns first and second. Before going to the video, I request you to press subscribe button. Nouns 1. There are two main classes of noun. They are abstract noun and concrete noun. Abstract noun, there is no physical existence and we can't touch and see, but we can realize that is considered as abstract noun. Examples: truth and beauty will not die. Realize the true kindness of our parents. He received the medal for his honesty. I thank him for his goodness. He remembered his childhood days. Truth and beauty, true kindness, honesty, goodness, childhood, these are known as abstract noun. Concrete noun. There is physical existence and we can touch and see, that is considered as concrete noun. There are four types of concrete noun. They are proper noun, common noun, collective noun, and material noun. Proper noun. The name begins with capital letter, that is considered as proper noun. Examples: Somnath Temple, Kasi Viswanath Temple, Brihadiswara Temple, Rameswaram Temple, Meenakshi Temple. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi is the father of our nation. Common noun. A name of a person, place, or thing in a group of classes that is considered as common noun. Examples: dog is a pet animal. A boy is sitting on a bench. The crooked lines are rivers. The tribes are living in the forest. She lost the wagon. In these sentences, dog, a boy, rivers, forest, wagon are known as common noun. Collective noun. A noun in plural form but not adding s, that is considered as collective noun. Examples: mob, a group of people. Platoon, a group of soldiers. Jury, a group of people required. Convoy, a group of ships. Men, a group of men. Material noun. There are names of materials which used to make another things, that is considered as collective noun. The bench is made up of wood. The coal is used to steam engine. He wrote essays in the paper. The tire is made up of rubber. The clay is used to make pots. Nouns second. There are two kinds of noun. They are nouns in number, nouns in case. Nouns in number, singular, means one person or thing. Plural means more than one person or thing. Nouns in number, by adding s to the subject, we can make it into plural form. Example: bicycle, bicycles. Bike, bikes. Auto rickshaw, auto rickshaws. Bus, buses. Train, trains. Nouns in number. Some noun ends with y is considered as singular form. We can change that noun into plural form by removing y and adding ies. Example: story, stories. Pastry, pastries. City, cities. Chalet, chalets. Variety, varieties. Nouns in case. The categorization of nouns, pronouns, adjectives, participles, and numerals are considered as case or nouns in case. There are four types. They are nominative case, objective case, possessive case, vocative case. Nouns in case. Nominative case. The subject of a verb is known as nominative case. Example: Kumar constructs a house. Suresh bought a car. Jenny meets Hema. He throws a ball. Elisa nominates Jack. Objective case. Answering to the interrogative words of what or whom that gives direct object of the verbs in those sentences are known as objective case. Example: Kumar constructs what? A house. Kumar constructs a house. Suresh bought what? Suresh bought a car. Jenny meets whom? Jenny meets Hema. He throws what? He throws a ball. Elisa nominates whom? Elisa nominates Jack. In this, nominative case and objective case has inner relations. Possessive case. The nouns are showing possession in the sentences are known as possessive case. Example: He went to his brother in law's house. This is Suresh's car. That's mine. Ramesh's office. In these four sentences, after apostrophe comma s, it resembles possessiveness. Students association. Students in this apostrophe comma it means plural form. Students association. Vocative case. The noun is used to deliver. Direct address is known as vocative case. Example: Let her ride the bicycle. Jack. See you in next Thursday. Jan. Start reading. Elisa. Come and deliver the speech. Ryan. Friends, let us go to the function. In this vocative case, we are nominating or we are giving the chance to the person to deliver the speech. See you.